The earthquake swarm, which started early in the morning, created a fascinating eruption in the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland. It spread for nothing to two distinct clusters of earthquake swarms. Definitely earthquake swarm. It was more than 100, probably hundreds of it, and the eruption was imminent. And that was the moment of the eruption. We had this just to the north of the defensive wall that is built around the town of the Grindavík in Iceland. It cut through it and appeared on the other side of this massive structure. And as you can see here, it was almost in line with the previous eruption from 2024, January of that year. At the moment, it looks subsided, but we see some movement there. These are all the tiny lights you see there in the dark. These are the glowing lava. And even we have some tiny eruptions. I will show you that. There are some vents inside that fissure which are still erupting. And I will show you in a second. That's here. This is activity in that area. You can see that they are erupting. The two clusters that I mentioned, one of them is actually subsided. This is the Grindavík one which I showed you. And another one we have to the north, and North Swarm are called it. It may erupt later. Of course, this is one interpretation of this data. As it happened in the past, we had the eruption in the south, then it is extended to the north. And it is quite possible that such a thing happens. And it was according to what I predicted in one of the previous videos. The first eruption near the Grindavík, just behind the defensive wall, and then another one to the north. Of course, not everybody is convinced by that. And we have also the possibility that just this earthquake storm opened the fissure, opened a pathway for the magma to rise, erupt at one end near the Grindavík, but not enough to erupt at the other side, which is into the north. It just fills up the gap that is created by the extension of the plate boundary. We have to wait and see, but lava still is flowing in that south one.